Hi everyone and welcome to your basic kick package. This package will cover all the basic kicks in martial arts. So it will cover things like front kick, side kick, round kick, axe kick, shuffle axe kick, hook kick, spin hook kick. So, first things first, we're going to start with the front kick. And I'm going to show you a demonstration of that kick first, and then I'm going to break it down for you after. Good. Okay, so breaking the front kick down. There's 4 parts basically to this kick. Knee chamber, extension, knee chamber, and then down on the floor, okay? So, first things first, start with your kicking leg in the back. So for this purpose, I'm going to use my right leg. So my right leg starts in the back, okay? This front leg is going to be your balancing leg and your support leg, okay? So that's the leg that stays firmly on the ground when you kick. As I bring that knee up for that knee chamber, this is position 1. See how this bottom foot rotates round, okay? If you stick with your front foot facing this way, like so, I found that a lot of people then come up on the toes to do the extension. So you'll go like this from here and come up, which isn't very practical because you're off balance. So if someone comes to attack, you're gonna fall backwards straight away, okay? So you always want to be nice and grounded, all right? And have a firm stability on the floor. So from here, position 1, bring that knee up and just turn that bottom foot out to the side, okay? From there, this knee extension, then you're going to extend. So it's the extension, okay? Now for the front kick, you're kicking with the ball of the foot. So this part of the foot, you're going to bring those toes back and you're going to kick with the ball of the foot there, okay? In some practices, they kick with the flat of the foot, like so. But for today's purpose, not many styles do that, so I'm going to show you with the ball of the foot, alright? So from here, we have turn that bottom foot as you're bringing that knee up. Position 1 here, nice and strong, firm on the ground, okay? From there, the extension, point 2. And then I'm going to kick with the ball of the foot, bring those toes back, then we chamber to where we started, position 1. It's the same as position 3, and then down is position 4, okay? And that's as simple as it is. That's your front kick there. 4 points, chamber, extend, re-chamber, and then down, okay? Good, so from here, position 1, bring that knee up, 2 extend, 3 pull back, and 4 down, okay? And I'll just show you a few examples of that fast. From here, good. Perfect.